To you ladies, walk away from anything that is not making you happy. You cannot fix a man. You only can fix yourself. Walk away, guys. You're worthy. You're worthy of love. You're worthy of happiness. Ladies. Hi, guys. My advice to you ladies, please walk away from anything that doesn't make you happy. Love yourself. You're worthy. You're worthy of love. You're worthy of receiving and deserving of happiness. Ladies, if no one tell you, you're amazing. God created you to be amazing. God created you because He knows that you're special. Walk away, guys.